Welcome grade 3. Today we are in the 21st class of math. We're still in unit 2, fractions. Our objective for today that students will be able to practice more to locate different fractions on the numbered line. So we are going just to complete the lesson that we started yesterday about the fractions on the numbered line. Okay, so I need you please to open your workbook, page 18. Okay, let's read together. Write each of these fractions in the correct position on the numbered line. Okay, today I will not draw many number lines as yesterday. Today I will just use the only one line, okay, that given to us here on page 18. So the first fraction is 7 over 10 or 7 out of 10. Can you take 7 out of 10? Yes. So 7 out of 10 or 7 over 10 is a proper fraction that is less than 1. So it should locate where? Between 0 and 1. So I will make 10 equal parts between 0 and 1. Let's see how we're gonna do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now I have 10 equal parts between 0 and 1. So if you move from 0 to the first part, it means you finished 1 out of the 10 parts. If you move to the next part, it means you finished 2 parts out of the total 10 parts. If you move to the third, so it is 3 out of 10, 4 out of 10, 5 out of 10, 6 out of 10, 7 out of 10. And if you move more, you will reach 1. It will be here 10 out of 10. So now we can locate 7 out of 10 here between 0 and 1 because it is less than 1. Okay, next fraction or a mixed number we have here is 1 and 3 over 4. 1, it means we already finished 1 and we are moving to 1 and something, okay? So 1 and 3 over 4, it is bigger than 1. So it will be between 1 and 2. So the mixed number 1 and 3 over 4, it will be between 1 and 2. And look to the denominator, I have 4. So how many parts I need to cut the area between 1 and 2? Okay, the denominator here is telling me 4. So I need to cut the area between 1 and 2 into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I already finished cutting the area from 1 to 2 into 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts. But take care. Here is 1. If you move to the right, it means you are moving to more than 1. 1 and something. So if I moved like this, it means I moved to 1 out of 4, but I already finished 1. So here it is 1 and 1 out of 4. Move another part, it is 1 and 2 out of 4. Another part, it is 1 and 3 over 4. So here I'm going to locate the mixed number 1 and 3 over 4. And don't forget, we still have 1 part more to reach 2. It means 1 and 3 out of 4 is less than 2. Okay, let's go to number 3. 2 and half. It means you already finished 2 and you are moving to 3, but you haven't reached 3 yet. So 2 and half should be between 2 and 3. And I need to cut the area between 2 and 3 into how many equal parts? To 2 equal parts. So 2 and half, it should be after 2, but it is smaller than 3. So I'm going to locate it between 2 and 3. But first I need to cut the area between 2 and 3 into how many equal parts? Look to the denominator, 2. So I need to cut in 2 equal parts. Okay, so now here is 2 and I move to 2 and half. Here I should put 2 and 1 out of 2. Okay, 2.5. Let's go to number 4. It's a mixed number, 1 and 1 over 4, or 1 and a quarter. So this mixed number should be between what? 1 and something. It means I already finished 1. So it should be between 1 and 2 because it's less than 2. So this mixed number between 1 and 2. Okay, but I need to cut the area between 1 and 2 into how many equal parts? Look to the denominator, 4. So I already cut it before in 4 equal parts. So here is 1. If you move 1 part out of the 4 equal parts, so you will be here, it will be 1 and 1 over 4 because you moved 1 part out of the 4 parts between 1 and 2. Let's go to number 5. 2 and something. So this mixed number should be where? Between 2 and 3. Very good. But I need to cut the area between 2 and 3 into how many equal parts? Look down to the denominator, 10. So from 2 to 3, I needed to cut it into 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. From 2 and something, 2 and something, 2 and something. Here, it will be 2 and 7 over 10 because I already moved after 2 7 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here it is 2 and 7 over 10. And don't forget this mixed number is less than 3 because I haven't reached 3 yet. I still need to move 3 more parts to reach 3. Okay, let's go to number 6. It is 2 out of 3. Do you have any complete number beside this fraction? No. So this is only fraction, not a mixed number. And is it proper or improper fraction? 2 out of 3. Can you take 2 out of 3? Yes, I can. So this is proper fraction. It means less than 1. So it should be between 0 and 1 because it is less than 1. And I need to make how many equal parts? The area between 0 and 1. Let's go to the denominator, 3. So I need to cut the area or divide the area between 0 and 1 into 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. Okay. If I moved from 0 to the first part, it means I finished 1 out of 3. If I moved from 0 to this part and then to the next part, it means I finished 2 parts out of the total 3. So where are you gonna put 2 out of 3? Yes, here, 2 out of 3. Okay, 2 out of 3 is proper fraction because it is less than 1. You haven't reached 1 yet. Let's go to number 7. 1 and 2 over 3. So once you have 1 here, it means you are playing in the area between 1 and 2. Okay, and you need to cut the area between 1 and 2 into how many equal parts? I need to take a look to the denominator. It is 3. So I need to cut the area between 1 and 2 into 3 equal parts. So I can take the 2 out of 3. Let us cut it. 1, 2, and 3. Now I have 3 equal parts. And my mixed number is 1 and 2 over 3. So I will move from 1. The first part, it is 1 out of 3. The second part will be 2 out of 3. So now here, I can put 1 and 2 over 3. And it is still less than 2. Let's go to the last mixed number, 2 and 2 over 3. 2 and 2 over 3. 2 and something. So this fraction should be located where? Between 2 and 3. And I need to cut the area between 2 and 3 into how many equal parts? Look to the denominator, 3 equal parts. So let us cut it quickly. From here to here, the first part. And from here to here, the second part. And from here to 3, the third part. Now I have 3 equal parts. And I need to move. Here is 2. and here 2 and 1 over 3. Here is 2 and 2 over 3. So here I can put the mixed number 2 and 2 over 3, and 2 and 2 over 3 smaller than 3 because I still have one part we haven't moved yet. So I wish that you enjoyed watching the video today, and I wish that you understand everything. And please, I will upload a worksheet. It is very easy, you can do it, just also locating some fractions on the number line. Okay, thank you, and don't forget to put the like on the post so I can take it into consideration for the attendance. Thank you, grade 3.